Do you get tired of chopping vegetables endlessly? Want to stop wasting time but still can't get perfect slices? In today's video, I have the perfect solution for you, the Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. This Mandoline slicer is truly a game changer for your kitchen. Want to slice your vegetables quickly and perfectly? With this, you can effortlessly slice potatoes, onions, tomatoes, carrots, and more, all with perfect consistency. Thanks to its adjustable feature, you can easily switch between thick or thin slices, making your cooking faster and more enjoyable. It features an adjustable knob that allows you to select the perfect thickness for your slices. Whether you need paper-thin cuts or thicker pieces, this slicer has you covered. The stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp, slicing through all types of vegetables with ease. Save time and get perfect slices every single time, as if you had a professional chef right in your kitchen. And let's not forget about safety. To keep your hands protected, it comes with cut-resistant gloves. So you can slice with confidence, without worrying about injuring your fingers. Cleaning up is also super easy. It's dishwasher safe, so once you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher and you're good to go. So, why wait? The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer is ready to become your best kitchen assistant. Order yours today and see how much quicker and easier meal prep can be, with perfectly sliced veggies every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with more kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.